Psalms chapter 37, verse 5. Commit thy way unto the Lord. Trust also in Him, and He shall bring it to pass. Amen.
Amen. Praise the Lord po. From the book of Psalms chapter 34, verse 3. O magnify the Lord with me, and let us exalt His name together. Amen.
Amen po.